Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are on the second video review of the unboxing of the DT Watch X rectangular design smartwatch and the 10th anniversary edition of the DT Watch X. Our previous DT Watch X that we reviewed here in our YouTube channel is the circular DT Watch X, sporty looking, beautiful looking smartwatch. And we have here the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition. And as you can see here, as we stated on our previous video, we are surprised with the beauty of this smartwatch. A beautiful looking smartwatch with a unibody design. Okay, except for this one, for the sensor. But it has a full metal body frame, slim black border, slim body frame, durable looking smartwatch with a premium design and material. Okay, on this video we are going to explore the menus and features of this wearable. And based on the box here, it is running the Wear Pro OS. So if you have any questions, if you have any queries regarding the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start and explore the different menus and features of this premium looking smartwatch from DT number 1. The 10th anniversary edition DT Watch X. Okay, for the UI, swipe from top to bottom. Very smooth transition here. Okay, very responsive screen. We do have the different menus here, or widgets. On the bottom, on the other side, we have the module. You can add your own. On the right side, another module here. Okay. I think left and right is just the same here. For the different watch face, long press, or we can use this one. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Beautiful animation here, 3D type watch face. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is our first time to see or to have a smartwatch with an animated watch face for this category of smartwatches. It is our first time to have a smartwatch with animated watch faces. Okay, so it is loaded with beautiful watch faces, as you can see here. Of course, we do have some static and a classic looking watch face. I guess there are additional watch face available in the support app. Beautiful looking watch face here. To access the main menu, just press the power button. So what are the offered features here in the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition? Okay, so we have automatic activity tracking, sports history, we have the heart rate, blood oxygen, we have sports monitoring. I think it has more than 100 sports function. Okay, if my memory serves me right. It has a comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, we will have our separate video for that. We have sports history, sleep monitoring, again sports history, sleep. We do have a blood pressure monitoring, music control. We have at least 3 here: phone mode, local mode, and headphone mode. This is, I think this is the TWS. Weather, Bluetooth call. We do have a breathing guide, AI voice, alarm clock. We do have message notifications, calculator, timer. We also have a game here. So it is preloaded with several games, not just 1, 2, or 3. We have 5 games. Recorder. We also have a built-in compass, stopwatch, camera, photo, video, okay, flashlight. We do have an NFC support, okay, find phone, menu view. We also have it here, okay. Going back, we have what else? Settings. Okay, you can make your own profile, as you can see here. You have the display. So what are the features on the display? We have the clock style, screen brightness. We do have idle clock. I guess this is the always on display clock. Screen off, always on display. You can set it here. Set wallpaper. It has also a feature for setting your own wallpaper. Volume vibration, volume control, set language, UI effect. You have the page, scale, fan, and cube. Set time, screen lock password, switch video. Okay, you can switch the boot app video for this one. Do not disturb mode, power saving mode, USB mode if you want to set your device as a mass storage, and system menu. Okay, so it is a fully loaded smartwatch with a beautiful design. As you can see here, we already activated the 3D or the cube, I think, for the transition of the pages. Nice, I like it. Okay, going back again to the features again, we do have here the different menus and features of the DT Watch X. We do have a recorder, compass, photos, and other options here. This one, let's see if this is the dedicated sports button. No, this is the settings here. Okay, you can edit it here. You can remove or add. So it's a different approach here for the DT Watch X 10th Anniversary Edition smartwatch. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe, like, and share. Check out the description for the links as well as the details about this new smartwatch from DT number 1, the 10th Anniversary Edition DT Watch X. Okay, bye.